Tuklula kingalos 70 reng event suppliers sa Mekisan Metong king matagumpeng pamamuklat ning unveiled a wedding fair year 4 keti king Vista Mall, Pampanga. Iti kimpaman muna ning JLB Events Management tapamuntukan ng Jomel Lingat Bernal.
This is for celebrators who wants to have their celebration seamless and at the same time organized, of course, with the help of JLB Events Management Service together with our partner suppliers and featured exhibitors.
Pinuri ning Department of Tourism Region 3 ing makanining proyekto ang makasaw kareng mais o meetings, incentives, conferences, and exhibitions.
Hindi katamong mines industry mag-proliferate. So, burin na sabihan nito, manibas siguro niya may gumpisa kami 2-3 decades ago. Aliwan ng aliwangin eh. Pero, bis tamang makanito, burin na sabihan natin yung market at makasaw kini kareng kaya katamong, of course, kareng suppliers at the same time king community. Kanya, marakala bayo na akit yung keni, itapin na sana isulong din hanggang
Kabilang kareng Mekisan Metong keting fashion designer ay Mitch Biray ning Kasamoda.
Meron po kaming mga hinandang mga packages for the upcoming couple, brides and groom. Sana po mapasyalan nyo ang aming booth. Behind this po, nandun po yung aking team na headed by Menchi. I-discuss po nila sa inyo mga discounts and freebies.
Kabang kareng wedding venue naman, Achuya Keti in the Lakeshore.
It's a bridal expo. So we want an exposure. It's not really, syempre lahat naman we want selling but not on hard selling. We want people to know that there is a lakeshore that they can go not only for their wedding. Syempre alam naman natin, we have the park, we have other activities that they can do at lakeshore. So this is one way of promoting na malaki ang lakeshore. And it's not only for couple, it's not only for wedding. Lahat po ng event nyo, mapagusto nyo lang na Sunday event, mapasyal kayo, family day, pwede. Gusto nyo naman ng mag-event kayo ng milestone of your life, pwede. So, it's there. Nandun lahat sa inyo.
Bibida ng Jomel Lingat Bernal na magsilbi ang one-stop shopping bridal fair para kareng soon-to-wed couples at kareng magsadyang selebrasyon. This is Patricia Mamangon on the spot.